empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver.
The fountain was donated to the city of Jeddah by the late King Fahd bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, who ruled Saudi Arabia from 1982 until 2005. The monument was constructed between 1980 and 1983 and was unveiled in 1985, immediately establishing itself as a prime sightseeing attraction. Mayroon po siyang taas yata na 132.
Started out. Oh, no.
Here's the history of the water fountain also. The constructions of the water fountain was initially built between 1980 and 1983 and was inspired from the Geneva fountain. Length 140 meters, pumping speed 124 mph, but the planners were not satisfied with the height. The fountain was operated in its current form in 1985 to pump seawater at a speed of 233 miles per hour to a height of 312 meters or 1,024 feet. The base of the fountain is in the form of a large mabkara, an incense burner which symbolize the Arabic culture, since the fountain pumps seawater rust and corrosion were the main concern of those who built it. Before reaching the pump, the water passes through several filters to purify it from dirt, sand, and organic matter. The fountain is lit by 500 light highlights leads designed to withstand the continuous fall of thousands of tons of water from hundreds of meters. These spotlights are installed on special islands.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life, watching paintings dry. Faced with time, we waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on knives to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. Lying, we're fine. just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.